Okay, as promised, this is the next video, and as I said in the first video, that this video will show you how to put a piece in the lathe for turning between centers. Now, I use that term in this handout quite a bit, and what that means is having the piece supported by the headstock and the tailstock at the same time, okay? This is, I would say, the most basic turning. This is the start. Bowls and things like that are at times when you're turning a bowl, it's just held by the headstock end of the lathe. We'll get into that in wood turning too. Okay, so I have my impression here from the center that I pounded in, and my mark with the awl in the other end. So the impression is going to go to the headstock end. This is the headstock, by the way. And here's my drive center. I'm just going to put it in and line everything up. Oh, this is a different center. That's why it's not working. It's good. And then slide this, and then find that little hole. You can see it's kind of difficult to see. So having that little hole in there really helps you kind of feel where that center is instead of relying on your eyesight. All right, once it's in like that, make sure that, you know, if you can see this, there's a locking lever here. Make sure that it's loose, you don't want it tight. And from tight to loose is only like that. It's just a quarter turn, okay? Don't spin it all the way out. Okay, the other thing you need to do is make sure that there's only a small amount of space between the live center and the tailstock. I've got about a 1/2 inch or about 12 millimeters here. So I lock this down really good, and now I'm going to turn this in. And when I turn this hand wheel, this is the tailstock hand wheel, this thing pushes out. I want to turn that until the bigger part of the center touches the wood, okay? There's a small point, and then there's a, here we go. This is the point, oops. This is the point, and this is the cup. So push this in until this cup touches the side of the wood, okay? That's going to be there. That's going to be good. Okay, I guess on a video you should always have your stuff planned and timed and figured out. Okay, now I'm happy with this. This is tight. Then lock this. Again, it's just a quarter turn, okay? You should feel pressure. Don't crank on it because these are plastic levers, and these threads, these lathes are getting a little older, and these threads are wearing out, so be gentle, okay? And then always keep spinning your piece by hand. And the last thing to do before you would call me to come check your lathe to make sure you can start turning is to set the tool rest. Now, the good question is, how high should your tool rest be? Well, I like to turn with my tool rest just a bit below center, okay? So the center between the point here and the point there, kind of an imaginary line. I'm going to go up just a little bit more here. There, okay? Now, once you're at the lathe here, chances are you won't have to adjust that because the previous turners, the height usually stays the same. It's the distance that varies. Okay, then set it, and lock it in position, and then spin it by hand. If you get it too close, you'll get that happening, and if you turn the lathe on with that, the belt will slip. You'll do some damage to the belt, but you will not hurt yourself. These lathes are very safe. Okay, so that would be good. Then your lathe is ready. If it was plugged in, it would be ready to turn on. but that is ready to turn now. So from now what you do is you get your tools out, or your tool. We'll start with a 1/2-inch spindle gouge, which is a red handle tool, and you would put your face shield on. If your glasses and face shield. When I'm going to turn for this demo, I'm just going to wear my glasses. My glasses are actually safety glasses, but I find if I've got a face shield on, it's my talking isn't as clear for the video. So I won't wear a shield, but when I turn at home, I always wear a shield. Okay? Okay, I think that's it. The next video, we will actually spin the piece on the lathe, and I'll rough it out and do some cutting for it.